Today we're going to take a look at the full system scan tool from Thinkcar, the Thinkscan Max. What makes this tool unique is that it features all system diagnosis. In other words, it can read and clear codes for every system in your car. Not only the engine, like most tools, but ABS, transmission, SRS, chassis, body, steering, brakes, gear, even the radio and headlights. It's Bluetooth capable or wireless, so you can work on your car inside your house, features all 10 modes of OBD2, and finally it features a 28 reset service like coolant bleeding, gear learning, ABS bleeding, TPMS reset, and more. To use it, plug in the dongle, turn the key to the on position, turn on the Thinkscan Max, and search for your vehicle. After it finds out what your vehicle is automatically, you can choose Health Report, System Scan, or System Selection. We'll do Health Report. And it scans the entire vehicle. Engine control module, chassis control module, transmission, differential, brake control module, power steering, so it's 63% done, even the radio. After running a full scan, we can see we have some body control module codes. So we'll check them out. And there's a lot of them. Headlamps, control circuit, right headlamp control circuit, security sensor data circuit. This is probably all front end stuff. But I went through and repaired all that. So we're going to clear these codes. It says, are you sure you want to clear all the system fault codes? Yes. This Buick Encore was in an accident which caused all the codes in the body control module. So after the repairs have been made, we can clear them. After clearing the codes, we can see that there's 3 left. One says, please refer to the service manual. I'll have to check that out. I do know that the license plate lamp does not work. So probably didn't want to clear those codes until that license plate lamp was fixed. Once back at the main menu, you can choose from other things like OBD2, maintenance and service, think file, etc. We ran the scan, now we'll do OBD2. And again, it's connecting to the little dongle guy that we plugged in. And there's the vehicle number, the mil status, so we don't have a check engine light. DTCs in this ECU, 0. Readiness completed, readiness not completed, data stream supported, and so on. So in order to read the live data, we'd have to have the engine running, and that would show all of the sensor data in real time. With the engine running, we can now explore the live data. And we'll select all and say OK. And here we have throttle position, accelerator pedal position, airflow, ambient temperature. And we'll we'll go down to some type of temperature so that we can get a graph of the data. And we'll give it a second here to start its little graph. And you can see that it's graphing it there, that yellow line. As the engine heats up, that line will move up. Next on the main menu is the 28 service resets. We'll click on that and you can bleed ABS brakes. You have the air fuel reset, AFS, airbag, BMS, brake reset, EGR, and so on. Under Think File is a record of everything we've done so far, so we can click on that. And if you want to go back and take a look at what you've done or a report, you can click on one of those. In the Think store, you can purchase any upgrades you might want. Under Repair Info is the code library. You can look up any codes, punch them in there, look up the definition, and it'll tell you why that code might have appeared. Coverage list, and this needs the internet, so it might be a little bit slow. Let's go back there again. This is all the vehicles that it covers. Video and learning. Under Setup, you can set up the tool just like setting up a tablet, or earn dollars for purchasing upgrades. 3 consecutive days of checking in equals $1. We'll hit that. I have $7 earned so far. And like I said, the internet's slow out here. So we'll see. Well, there we'll hit check in. And I earned my point for the day, and now I have $8. Finally, under Update, we can upgrade any of our software right here on the tool using the internet. We have 120 that are updated already or upgraded, and we have 4 that need to be updated, but I'm going to wait till a later time because I'm quite a distance from the internet. When finished, the dongle can be put back into the tool, and it clicks nicely in there, and the tool can be put away in a nice carrying case. With full system scan for diagnosis, reading and clearing codes, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a large color screen, 28 service resets, 10 modes of OBD2, and some bidirectional capabilities, the Thinkscan Max is hard to beat for the price. I hope you enjoyed this review on a competent scanner from Thinkcar. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.